Hi, this is GP here. We have done clusters 1, 2 and 3 and today we will look at cluster 4 in my series called Jai to Jai Kaha, wherein we identify the institutes you could look at joining if you have multiple calls and you are confused. Okay. In cluster 4 we have got the 25B schools and let's go through them. But before I do anything else, let me quickly rewind and go back and tell you what is the logic we have used in choosing the institutes. Very simply, placements and return on investment, a term which I don't like. I have said that multiple times, but placement I think is very, very important, because if an institute is good in all respects, the companies will come pick up students from there. So which is why to me placements in a way is a substitute for checking out the quality of the institute. Return on investment is something that students always look at and they categorize it the amount of fee charged versus the kind of average salary, but to me that's not the right criteria. A return on investment has to be a long term process. You have to look at over the next 10, 12, 15 years, how is it going to change your career. If you had not done this MBA from this particular institute, how would your career go? Vis-a-vis, how would your career go now? That is what is going to tell you return on investment, not the salary immediately after doing an MBA. Okay? So please bear in mind, return on investment, calculate over next 10, 12, 15 years. Okay. Cluster 4, the top institutes in cluster 4, these are the ones. Some of these are very good institutes and they have a disadvantage of being in a location which is not very popular and many people don't know about it. Some of these institutes are also not very, let's say, media savvy and don't promote themselves very well. For example, TAPME, excellent institute, very, very good. And should definitely be looked at. Good for all areas, especially if you have work experience, the kind of opportunities you will get will be much better than some of the cluster 3 institutes also. Okay. So TAPME, Manipal, very good institute, should always be looked at. Among the newer institutes, let's say, Visakhapatnam, IIM Nagpur, among the latest IIMs, these are the ones which have broken from the crowd and have pushed themselves up to cluster 4. Okay. So should be looked at. Both Nagpur and Visakhapatnam, being mentored by Ahmedabad and Bangalore respectively, have been able to do fairly well and have been able to get very good placements also. Now we look at some of the institutes which are in a way specialized. Okay, so before that, Amritsar again, doing decently well as a new IIM, and I think these are the 3 IIMs among the latest ones which are likely to become, which are likely to go to level 3 sooner than later. Now let's look at specialization wise. If you are interested in finance, these are the 2 programs you need to be looking at. JBIMS MSc Finance, Delhi University has this program called Master in Finance and Control. Now it is called MBA Finance, but originally it is called Master of Finance and Control, or MFC, and most people still call it MFC. Very good programs, especially if you are interested only in finance, then these are the 2 institutes you should be looking at. And yes, the added advantage is these are value for money institutes. The fee for the program in Bajaj as well as in Delhi University is going to be negligible. You will possibly pay the fees with your debit card. Okay. If you are interested in operations, analytics, possibly one of the best choices you will get. A batch size of only about 20. Okay. Only about 20. Excellent placements. Everyone gets placed very fast. Being in Bangalore is a huge advantage. Okay. And yes, most of the students don't apply to this also, but please remember the overall cutoff for this program is upwards of 95 percentile. Okay. Similarly, if you look at IIT Kanpur, good for operations, systems, analytics. In fact, most of the engineering institutes you could say are good for operations, analytics and systems, and that probably comes very naturally to them given that they are engineering colleges. Okay. IIT Kanpur will be here. NITI PGDI SEM is a good option, but it's a restricted option. It is similar to the program of IIM Lucknow Sustainability Management. Okay. So similar to that, but slightly broader. And the advantage is that in NITI, you will get the same placement opportunities as PGDIM, though some of the companies may not consider you because of the restricted nature of the program, but by and large, you will get good opportunities here. And while the average salary at will find to be lower than that of IM, this is still a very good program to be looked at. Okay. NMIMS comes much higher, but this is MBA HR. Okay. The HR program comes a little lower because of restricted opportunities and being a specialized program. So these are my top institutes when you look at the cluster 4. Okay. Similarly, when you look at the others, cluster 4B, okay, Again, very, very interesting institutes. You will find a few of them. Okay. First, 2 new IIMs. Nagpur, Visakhapatnam were in cluster 4A. These come in cluster 4B. A little lower. In a way, I would say location is going to be a small issue as far as these institutes are concerned. Again, if you look at old established institutes, Goa Institute of Management, SIIB. Most people in North India are not even aware of an institute called Bharati Dasa Institute of Management. Excellent institute, very good placement, value for money also. Fees is not high. Yes, it's in Trichy. Since IIM has been established in Trichy, people have started to know about the place, but nevertheless, IIM BIM Trichy is still an unknown quantity. Should be considered at this level, a very good option. The only disadvantage that some of you might have is most of the placement opportunities will be in South. So if you are saying after doing this, I want opportunities in, let's say, Delhi, NCR, Calcutta, unlikely. Okay, but as an institute, it's very good. Okay, Goa, SIIB are very good institutes again. Goa Institute of Management, Symbiosis Institute of International Business provide good opportunities, especially in the area of HR, both of them, and also marketing and sales. Finance opportunities may not be that much in SIIB, but from Goa you can still get a few finance opportunities. So good institutes here. IIT Roorkee, value for money. And the second thing with IIT Roorkee is operations analytics. Again, small batch size, only engineers. So if you are looking to specialize in marketing or finance, not a good option. Marketing finance, look at Goa, look at SIIB, look at BIM. Okay, look at IIM Jammu, Sirmaur, but not these. Okay, yeah, how did I forget Bodh Gaya? Okay, yeah, Bodh Gaya is also here. Then we have this again Delhi University program, MHORD, Delhi School of Economics, Masters in Human Resource and Organization Development. As the name suggests, it's a HR specialization. Okay? So this is again one you could look at. BITS Pilani, one of the oldest MBA programs, but not many people know. At one point of time, it was reasonably popular. At the UG level, people would join it for the 5-year program. But now it is a 2-year program which is there. Good program, has not promoted itself well, but placements are decent and education is very good. Next, cluster 4C, sustainability management. As I said, this is similar, not exactly the same as NITI PGD ISM, but it is similar to that program. And why does it go lower? Because this is from this is being conducted in Greater Noida campus, not in Lucknow campus. Secondly, placements are not combined, which is the case for ISEM. So the opportunities which you get here will be restricted. You will not get all the opportunities of the Lucknow campus in Greater Noida campus, which is why it comes down. Okay, Sambalpur comes down here. Primarily, I would say location is an issue. Okay, Department of Business Economics, Delhi University. Again, they have a program called MBE, Masters in Business Economics. Will take you towards either finance, or it will give you opportunities in sales and marketing in the banking and finance industry, or the insurance industry. Those are the kind of opportunities it will give you. LIBA, Chennai, for Delhi. Good institutes, reasonably good opportunities, good education, focused. However, they are by and large regional. Again, most of the time the placements are going to be restricted to the geography in which they are. So 4 will by and large give you North India based opportunities. LIBA will by and large give you Chennai or South India based opportunities. Okay? So that is what cluster 4C consists of. Now from your point of view, just a quick overview. This is the cluster 4A, the top 10 of cluster 4. Then we have cluster 4B and cluster 4C. This is cluster 4B. The color variation I am sure will tell you the same. Okay. So that completes cluster 4 for me. I will be doing the next video on cluster 5 and 6 combined.